Up next, we have SP Venkatlakshmi Garu. We are honored to welcome Srimati Venkatlakshmi, Superintendent of Police with the Crime Investigation Department, Hyderabad. With over 15 years of exemplary service in the Telangana Police Department, she has served across crucial wings including Law and Order, the Telangana Police Academy, and currently the Economic Offences Wing of the CID. Her sharp investigative acumen has been instrumental in cracking complex financial crimes from large-scale investigation frauds to online betting networks. She notably led the investigation of a cooperative society scam that defrauded citizens of nearly 140 crores. Her work continues to protect public trust and strengthen financial security for countless people. Please welcome Sri Venkat Lakshmi Garu. Thank you.
Thank you. So, good morning, everyone. So, I'm Venkat Lakshmi, as I have introduced to you. But today, I'm present here on behalf of Women's Safety Wing and Bharosa. The main objective of this initiative is to empower women and children through safety and support. So first I'll walk through what the objectives of Women's Safety Wing and Bharosa are, what are the what are the main initiatives of this program, and then we will go for what we are expecting towards this pitching. Okay, next slide please. So why women's safety is a priority? Why does it matter? So when we look at a victim who might be either a woman or a child, the violence they face, the abuse they face, it always affects them not at that point of instant, but throughout their entire life, and it will affect the families with whom they come across, or down the lane towards the next generations also. So it has generational effect, and to ensure a just and inclusive society, we should ensure the safety of women and children. So the government of Telangana main focus is on women's safety. So next slide, please. Now let us go through the major initiatives of Women's Safety Wing. We have Bharosa, we have She Teams, we have the CDEW, that is Center for Development and Economic Empowerment of Women, the Pride Place, and Sahas. Next slide, please. So I'll take you through the details of each and every initiative. So first, when it comes to Bharosa, this is a one-stop center which offers integrated services to the survivors of abuse. We offer police, medical, legal, and counseling services for the victims. Say, for example, imagine a scenario. Actually, this is not a hypothetical scenario. We have actually seen it. I have seen this with my own eyes like 4 years back. So there was a 12-year-old girl. Her mother was in a live-in relationship with a person after the death of her husband. So one fine day, the mother goes missing, and the person with whom she was in relationship, he was arrested by the police for murdering the same woman. So when we went to the scene, there was no one at the home, no elders to take care of. This girl was there along with her two younger brothers. Okay, there were 3 kids. They were sitting in a corner at the home. There was no one to take care of them. So when we reached the scene, being a police officer, our first priority comes to what? Collect the evidence, take statements from the witnesses, and see what strengthens the case for us so that the accused is committed to what conviction, or the victim is met with justice. Okay? సో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ ముగ్గురు పాప వాళ్ళ తమ్ముళ్ళని పట్టుకుని ఒక కార్నర్కి కూర్చుని ఉంది. దే వర్ క్రయింగ్, దే వర్ హంగ్రీ, దే వర్ సిట్టింగ్ దేర్ ఫర్ లైక్ 5 to 6 hours వితౌట్ ఎనీవన్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. సో వాట్ వీ థాట్ వాజ్, ఇప్పుడు ఈ కిడ్స్కి ఏం కావాలి? ఫస్ట్ దేర్ షుడ్ బి సమ్వన్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్, ఫుడ్, other basic amenities like a place, safe place to stay, and what about the consequences later on? They will be witnesses to the murder, right? they have to go to the court to give evidence. And also, ఈ పర్టికులర్ సినారియోలో వాళ్ళ మదర్ సింగిల్ చైల్డ్ అండ్ అరెస్ట్ అయిన పర్సన్ కూడా ఒక ఆర్ఫన్ అనమాట. సో there were no blood relatives to whom we can hand over these kids to. So ఈ సినారియోలో భరోసా సెంటర్ has done wonders. They have counseled the kids. They ensured that these kids were sent to welfare homes. They ensured that they were counseled for the trauma which they have faced. And also, వాళ్ళకి ఫర్దర్గా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఎట్లా, నెక్స్ట్ కోర్టులో వాళ్ళు ఎవిడెన్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు అది నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ట్రామా అండి. మనం ఫేస్ చేయడం వేరు, దాన్ని ఒక ఓపెన్ కోర్టులో మళ్ళీ రీకౌంట్ చేయడం వేరు. సో దానికి కూడా వాళ్ళని ప్రిపేర్ చేసి కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఇచ్చి దే వర్ సెంట్ టు ద కోర్ట్ where they have given beautiful, excellent evidence, and the case ended up in conviction. The accused, he has like murdered 9 more people in the same way. Appada varaku evariki teliyadu. So he got life conviction. So ante ee general ga police officers ekkadaina kuda we concentrate on collecting the evidence, we concentrate on filing charge sheet, we concentrate on arresting the accused. బట్ ఈ పిల్లల్ని వదిలేస్తుంటే అక్కడ పరిస్థితి చాలా దారుణంగా ఉండేది. ఈ ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ అప్రోచ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇదంతా కూడా మనకి భరోసా సెంటర్లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేయబడుతుంది. సో ఈ సెంటర్స్ ఇప్పుడు 34 సెంటర్స్ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ తెలంగాణ. ఓకే అండి. నెక్స్ట్, సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ ఆల్సో ప్రైజ్డ్ సేయింగ్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ విక్టిమ్ సపోర్ట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. Next slide, please. She teams. Everybody has heard about she teams. This is also one of the major initiatives of Women's Safety Wing. This was inducted back in 2014 to see that the streets are safer for women and girls who have to move outside. Baita chadukodaniki jobs cheyadaniki vella women, they face a lot of harassment in the form of groping kaavachu, స్టేరింగ్ కావచ్చు, ఫ్లాషింగ్ కావచ్చు. సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ చూసి సైలెంట్గా ఉంటారు, లేదా వాళ్ళు కంప్లైంట్ చేద్దామని అక్కడ ఎవరికి చెప్పాలో అర్థం కాదు. ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్కి వెళ్తుంది ఒక అమ్మాయి, వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు హూ విల్ షీ టాక్ టు? బస్లో ఎవరో మిస్బిహేవ్ చేశారు, లేదా రోడ్ పైన ఎవరో ఈవ్టీస్ చేశారు, దే హ్యావ్ మేడ్ సమ్ డెరగేటరీ కమెంట్స్ అగైనెస్ట్ హర్, హూ విల్ షీ టర్న్ టు? బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ లైక్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ స్క్వాడ్స్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ ప్లేసెస్. అండ్ మీరు న్యూస్లో ఆర్టికల్స్లో కూడా చూసుంటారు, దే హ్యావ్ కాట్ సో మెనీ పర్పెట్రేటర్స్ లైవ్ ఇన్ యాక్షన్. దే కండక్ట్ డీకాయ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆల్సో. సో హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ ఈస్ డీమ్డ్ టు బి వన్ ఆఫ్ ద సేఫెస్ట్ సిటీస్ నౌ. అండ్ a part of the credit definitely goes to she teams, there is no doubt about it. And they also conduct awareness campaigns which are not only, ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తాము ఈవ్టీజింగ్ గురించి, హెరాస్మెంట్ గురించి, లేదా జెండర్ సెన్సిటివిటీ గురించి ఎక్కువ స్పీచెస్ కానీ వర్క్ షాప్స్ కానీ దే ఆర్ నార్మలీ టార్గెటెడ్ టువర్డ్స్ విమెన్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్, రైట్? జెండర్ సెన్సిటివిటీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంది, వర్క్ షాప్ ఉందంటే విమెన్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారని చూస్తారు, ఆఫీస్లో వాళ్ళని పంపిస్తారు. బట్ దిస్ జెండర్ సెన్సిటివిటీ కానీ ఈ హెరాస్మెంట్ చేయకూడదు అనేది కానీ ఫస్ట్ తెలియాల్సింది ఎవరికి? బాయ్స్కి, రైట్? సో ఈ వర్క్షాప్స్ దే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్, దే ఆర్ డైరెక్టెడ్ టువర్డ్స్ ఆల్ సెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ సొసైటీ, నాట్ పర్టికులర్లీ గర్ల్స్ అండి. సో కాలేజెస్లో కానీ వేరే పబ్లిక్ ప్లేసెస్లో కానీ షీ టీమ్స్ వాళ్ళు వేరియస్ అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్ ప్లీజ్. The next is CDEW centers. They are basically family counseling centers. Tri-commissionateslo ante Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Rajakonda commissionateslo we have 30 centers operating right now. Indulo we have professional counselors for mediation and emotional support in domestic disputes. Wife and husband madhyalo emanna godavalu vachina, or if the woman is subjected to domestic violence, they can approach these centers. And professional psychologists and counselors are offering their services in these centers. Next, Pride Place. So this is India's first initiative which is driven by police targeting the LGBTQ community. So we all know they face a lot of ostracization, అండ్ ఈజీ యాక్సెస్ కూడా ఉండదు కొన్నిసార్లు మెడికల్గా కానీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్గా కానీ. దెర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బయాస్ విచ్ ద ఫేస్. సో దీనికోసం వీ హ్యావ్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ అ వన్ స్టాప్ సెల్ సెంటర్ which aims at integrating and sensitizing public towards the problems which this particular community faces, and we want to bring them or include them into the city by taking more initiatives. We are working towards it. Next slide, please. Next comes SAHAS. So this is a safe workplace initiative. We are partnering with industries to collaborate and come up with safe working environment for women, and also effective implementation of the provisions given under prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. So the SAHAS initiative offers a helpline and a chatbot which enables the women to confidentially report the incidents which they have faced at their workplace. And also we have an expert guidance, case handling expertise is being given to HR and ICC teams, internal complaint committees which are instituted in those particular organizations. We will handhold them in dealing with the cases. Next. So the Women's Safety Wing and Bharosa Society have entered into various memorandums of understanding with stakeholders. Most of them are NGOs. We have Yugantar, with which we have partnered to strengthen and empower the LGBTQ community. And we have partnered with International Justice Mission for anti-trafficking collaboration for rescue and rehabilitation of victims of sexual harassment and human trafficking. Then we have My Choice Foundation, which is working towards safe villages awareness. And we have partnered with AVA also for child protection. Going forward, this is the vision of the Bharosa Society. So by partnering with various stakeholders under this CSR, we are expecting that there will be a 75% faster response during emergency situations, and our reach towards the victims would be improved by 50% more, and the skilling support which we can give to the survivors will also enhance by 90%. Next slide, please. So this is the pitch we are going to present to you today. So in order to help build and upgrade Bharosa centers, there are 34 centers presently working in Telangana. We need 30 more centers to be established to see that the Bharosa's reach is spread across the state, the entire Telangana state. So it will be providing child-friendly courtrooms also, where children need to depose their evidence. They need not go to the court and face the trauma. These child-friendly courtrooms will help them to be more relaxed and out of trauma when they give their evidence. And we have skilling and capacity building initiative, where sponsorship of training programs and vocational training to the victims is also expected. Then technical support in developing apps, various safety apps, and also data analytics and effective case management systems is also expected. Mobility solutions. We have a shortage of mobility solutions right now. Around 65 more vehicles are required to ensure that victims are brought to the Bharosa centers immediately, or the counselors or the medical assistants can reach to the field itself. There's inconvenience lekunda. Victims evaraithe unnaro, so they'll be shuttling to the Bharosa center, the counseling center, or the police station. So in order to make it more convenient for them, more mobility solutions, that is vehicles, are required. Next, please. So on behalf of Women's Safety Wing and Bharosa, I sincerely invite the esteemed conglomerates present today to join hands with us in supporting the safety and well-being of women and children of Telangana. Your valuable contributions through CSR initiatives can create a transformative impact in strengthening our services and extending our reach throughout the state to those in need. Kindly consider extending your support. Together, let us build a society which is safe, secure, and gives a positive future to the entire society, which includes the children and women who are the most vulnerable section in the society. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.